Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and then drop some comment in case you have any questions. So let's get into it. This I want to show you what to do when you're working on a light and dark mode on any product. Don't use the same color. I know that the brand has a particular color, a particular X code, and then you want to just take it through. So looking at these two, what do you understand by um, color contrast? It has to be a contrast between the foreground and the background. Right now, when you use the same color on your light mode, and you know that when the background is light, you expect to put something with a darker shade on top of it. And when the background is dark, you expect to put something with a lighter shade on it. That's how contrast work. So if you use the same color code on your light and dark mode, you're going to get a bad contrast. So look at this two, is a deep blue and a deep blue, a light green and a light green. Works for dark, not for light. This works for, I guess, works for dark. It doesn't work for light. There is something we can do around these colors. You don't just keep them equally. So in case you're creating tokens or variables for your designs, this is the way to do it. When you are in your light mode, which should be the primary. So let's agree for a moment that this is the brand color and you want to design for the dark mode. All you need to do is to come to the fill and click on the color itself until it has a blue is highlighted already. You can see that. And then click on shift with your arrow key to the left, maybe 3 times, 2 times, depending on what shade you're trying to get, but that's going to give you a lighter version. If you move to the left, it gives you a lighter version. If you move down, it gives you a darker version. I hope you get that. So you click on the color position, hold your shift key, or if you don't want to hold your shift key, click on the arrow button, and then you can go up the way you understand that. So let's go back to the original color. This is the original color, but I expect it to be lighter on a dark mode. So all I need to do, let's take this out and bring this in. The same color, right? Click on this and then click on your color positioning, then hold your arrow key to the left. 1, 2, 3. I like it. This is a better contrast. You can do the same way, the same for the remaining. I hope I've been able to help you. So let's use something as a good example. I created an NFT design up here. I want you guys to see this, and let's try something out in a real product. So this is already in a dark mode. I already understand that Web3 and dark mode are 5 and 6. But let's say, for example, you have to recreate this product in a light mode version. And knowing fully well that you have highly saturated colors here because you're working on a dark background. So let's see how it's going to look like on the white background if you get to change the background to white. And let's see if let's change this. Then I want to see if exactly. Okay, I think that's it. And keep this back at white. Right, then for the swatch, I want to make it a white gradient. So just keep it white. Wrap it on white, and then you a little bit dark, a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, now coming to my text, I want all text black, a sided text on the bottom, and you want you gray. Perfect. So this is what we have. Does this color have a this is a great contrast on the dark background, but looking at it on the light background, the contrast is bad. The contrast is bad because the saturation is high. It's like placing a light on light. So we had to do something about it. What should you do? Okay, because I use the gradient here, but it's the same way. You click on it, get your color, and then you want to go down 1, make sure you're clicking on it. 1, 2, 3. I think I like it. And then come to the blue version and click on the blue and go down by, maybe this is fine. I guess this is fine. So you can do the same thing for the second one. You copy it or not. You can just go and then we see the difference. Go ahead and see the difference for this. You go up. Then you go 1, 2, 3. I prefer it on third. Okay, so this is a better contrast. So it's popping on the light on the dark mode and it's popping on the light mode. I think someone is getting that. So okay, let's take a look at the logo itself. Look at the logo on this side, looking so sharp. On this side is completely faded into the background. So what do you have to do into this? You just have to the same method, just the same method. Click on it, go down until free. That's dark enough, and I'm going back to my blue, clicking on this until I'm able to click on it. Okay, the blue is not because of the I added 2, so let me take it back to 100% blue. And this I don't want to because it's duplicated on top of each other. Okay, here is the second one. I want you to be on 100% exactly. And now this blue go down a little bit, clicking on it. I think it's too sharp. Yeah, that is a better contrast. In case you have any question around what we have just done, drop in the comment section. In case you have a better approach to it, of course you can use your mouse, just drag it to a lighter version, or just do it your way. Just make sure that it's not the same. On dark we need a lighter shade, and on white background we need a darker shade. I hope this has helped somebody. I'll see you in the next tutorial.